Hello everyone, welcome to the live stream. This is your host ISTUDYPRICE. Okay, let's just start the analysis from the higher time frame and let's find out what price is doing on the higher time frame right now. As we can see on the higher time frame, we have this big bearish candle yesterday, and today's candle are tracing back without taking previous day low. Hello everyone, welcome to the live stream. Okay, let's just start the analysis from higher time frame. Hello everyone, hello Murtaza, good evening, good morning Luke, hello Pranshu, how are you? Hello Malik, welcome to the live stream brother. Good to see you guys again. Okay, so on the higher time frame, weekly. So on the weekly, we can see price took this previous week low, and the next target is far from this level. So if weekly is not giving us a clear picture, we will move on to the daily time frame and we'll see if we will get a idea on the daily time frame how price is moving. So on the daily time frame we can see price took these lows, came back to in this fair value gap. So here we have this bearish fair value gap on the daily time frame. Price got rejected from this, price failed all of this bullish order block here, and we have a fair value gap here as well on the daily time frame, and we can see how price inverted this fair value gap on the daily time frame. So here we have this fair value gap and a small fair value gap just below this fair value gap here. Now move on to the 4-hour time frame and see what price is doing on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame we can see how price is giving us break of structure towards the sell side. And if you will notice one thing, when price is breaking the structure, it is also offering the fair value gap with the break of structure. Here you can see price broke below this structure, this one, offered us this bearish fair value gap, and after that price broke this structure and offered us this fair value gap, this one, this bearish fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame, and after that price also broke below this structure and offered a bearish fair value gap. That means according to the 4-hour time frame we can say that with respect to this price lag, our structure is bearish. And now we will move on the hourly time frame and we'll see. So here we can see price just inverted this fair value gap on the hourly time frame. So let's remove this one, and on the hourly time frame we can see price almost inverted this fair value gap on the hourly time frame, and getting a rejection just from this breaker on the hourly time frame. If I will mark this like this. So move on to the 15-minute time frame and see. So on the 15-minute time frame, price almost inverted this fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. Now price is reaching into this bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. So we have these highs here. So price reversed back just before these highs and moving to the downside, and the first 15-minute candle will close in 25 seconds. That means the opening range will be set. So here we have this high, which is opening range high, and here we have this opening range low on the 15-minute time frame. So here we have this first 15-minute range, and now we will move on to the 5-minute time frame and we'll see. Here we have this 8:30 candle, and let's see what ES is doing. So after seeing price action on both ES and NASDAQ, I think both pairs are indicating that we should look for the sells on NASDAQ as well. Let's see if we will have SMT between both of these pair. Okay, so CPI data was at 8:30. Now we don't have any news. So we can say that here we have this data low, right? So there are chances that price will draw towards this data low here. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, 8:15. Let's move on to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so here we can see how price is rejecting from this 1-minute fair value gap on the 1-minute time frame. Okay, so this is 1 hour bearish fair value gap. This one, and just remove this one. Okay, so if price will close below this, that means we have this breaker here. So let's say if we will take a trade on this breaker, our stop loss should be here and target should be 2 hour, like this. Actually we can plan this trade on the 1 minute time frame. After price will close below this low, then we will plan our trade. And the 950 macro also starts now. So I will only consider this trade when the price will close below this candle low. So we can see that this is also opening range low here. So if the 5 minute candle will close below this low, that will be the extra confirmation for us that price wants to go lower further. But for now we are not taking this trade, we are still waiting. So price offered this inversion in the first 5 minutes. So it was a good confirmation because price is rejecting from the 1 hour CB and giving us a inversion on the 1 minute time frame. So we could take the trade on the next candle. So trade could be like this, stop loss just above this candle high which failed this fair value gap, and target could be simply 2 hour, like this. You can see how simple this is. You just have to follow your plan, respect your trading rules. Yes, look, it was a good shot because price was rejecting from the higher time frame PDRA, which is basically bearish PDRA, and giving us a bearish setup on the 1 minute time frame. So that means this lower time frame is aligned with higher time frame. So this could be a good trade on the inversion just after the opening. Okay, so you can see why I was waiting for a candle closing just before this low. So if you will not wait for the proper confirmation, then price will definitely manipulate you. And you can see how price just reversed from this level after taking this low, inverted this bearish fair value gap. This one. Okay, now we can see price also inverted this fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame. And if we will see on the other hand, ES is stronger. So let's see if we can plan a trade here, and target will be 2 hour. So I think this is a good idea. Just to take this trade on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, I am so we just got late on this trade. I was planning this trade to take, but now price left this area just before entering the trade. So this was a good idea on the 1 minute time frame. Target is also easy. So we just missed this trade. It was a good idea on the 1 minute time frame because ES was stronger. ES broke this high just before the NASDAQ. This was the indication that NASDAQ could go higher, and let's see, we have this breaker on the 1 minute time frame, this one, and price just respected this inversion on the 1 minute time frame. We can actually try this breaker as well, and we are still in the macro. Let's see how 5 minute is looking. 5 minute looking good. On the other hand, ES is also looking good. Okay, so I will enter my trade just on this breaker. If price will retrace back again on this breaker, अभी वेट करते हैं. अगर प्राइस दोबारा रिट्रेस बैक करती है इस ब्रेकर के ऊपर तो फिर यहाँ से एंट्री लूँगा मैं. और ये प्लान करते हुए ये ट्रेड भी ऑलमोस्ट जो है मुझे लग रहा है मिस हो गई है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट 1 आवर हिट कर चुकी है. तो लेट्स सी अगर यहाँ पे हमें एक चांस मिलता है दोबारा एंट्री लेने का. Okay, I am in this trade right now. Let's see how it will play out. I am in this trade right now. My target will be here for like 2 hour. Okay, let's see. देखते हैं प्राइस किस तरह से रिएक्ट करती है इस ब्रेकर ब्लॉक से. वी आर इन दिस ट्रेड. Okay, on the other hand, we can see ES is making bullish structure on the 1 minute time frame. So That means NASDAQ should move higher following yes. Okay, who is in this trade with me? Did you take the entry? So yes, just closed above this bearish fair value gap, which price offered at 933, and here we can see on the other hand NASDAQ is just below this bearish fair value gap. Okay, okay. So price is just making a deep retracement back into this bullish breaker on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see if we will have a breakup structure towards the buy side, because on the other hand we can see how ES is trying to move higher and failing bearish PD arrays. Okay, our stop loss got hit on this trade. So it's a loss. Now we will move on to the next one. Let's clean all of this mess here. Okay. Okay, if the price will inverse this fair value gap, then it will definitely go lower to take these lows, and the next target will be this data low. Let's see how this price will unfold. Okay, so here we can see price almost inversed this fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame. And on the ES we can see okay, I will definitely try this trade like this, and target will be 2R. Okay, I'm in this trade. I'm taking the sells here, and my stop loss will be here just above this candle high, and target will be 2R like this. Okay, let's just manage our trade here. If price will close below this, After the price will hit this low, I will move my stop loss to just high of this inversion. But for now, just waiting for the price to just hit this low. Okay, who is in this trade? Did you take this one or just avoiding this one? Sell setup. I'm still hoping that price will go lower, and I am assuming that NASDAQ will hit the low first. Let's see if our idea will play out. कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक स्मॉल एसएमटी है। अगर हम लोस को कंपेयर करें तो यहाँ पे ईएस ने ये लो लिया है और नैस्डैक जो है ये लो लेने में फेल हुआ है, विच इज़ नॉट गुड because we are in the opposite direction of this SMT. Let's see how 3 minute is looking. 3 minute looking good. Price just rejection from this bearish fair value gap. We also have this inversion on the 3 minute time frame, and our stop loss is just above this 3 minute inversion, and 5 minute looking good. Let's see, I will sharply take the partials after price will hit this low, and I will move my stop loss and will reduce my risk. So very high resistance area here, price just trying to fail these lows and move into this fair value gap. No, I am not break even. My stop loss is still here. I am just waiting for the price to hit this low. After price will hit this, we will almost hit like 1 into 1.5 hour. I will take some partials here and will move my stop loss lower to this high, but for now my stop loss here is here. Okay, this is a very disturbing candle here. This volume looks crazy. My stop loss is here just above this high. So for now this SMT is working. Okay, my stop loss got hit on this trade. So where was the 1 into 1 hour? So we can say that we could manage this trade well, but after hitting 1 into 1 hour, price reversed back into the buy direction. So two back-to-back losses on the live stream. So I think now we should wait if we will get a clean move. This is looking like a choppy price action here. On the 5 minute time frame, we can see price is still consolidating on the ES as well. Now we can see price failing this fair value gap, this one, and let's see if price will close back just above this bearish fair value gap. Yeah, this is consolidation area, we should not take any trade now. Just wait for the next move. Okay, yes, took this high, this 930 high, and we can see price is still below this 930 high on NASDAQ. Let's see when the price will book this high. So on the daily time frame, we can see price is revisiting this inversion on the daily time frame. Okay, still waiting on the price. Let's see. Okay, so this 30-minute candle will close in 8 seconds. We still have room on the upside for the price to move higher, and on the hourly time frame you can see so here we have multiple fair value gaps in this price leg. Let's see if price will hit this area before taking this high. We also have this big bullish fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so look, is saying we also have consolidation and then break into a new high, possible AMD forming. I'm still bearish, price is near 1 hour FVG. So if so, let's see how price will get the response from this bearish fair value gap. We are also reaching up into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Okay, we missed this buy here, and this was the only move in this AM session. This was the good opportunity here on this leg, but price did not make any retracement on this leg. So we took two trade on the live stream today, and both were stop loss. So this is it for today. I will not take any trade further. So this was the good move on the 15-minute time frame. We can see prices after taking our stop loss on this trade. So it is what it is. You have to follow your trading plan. So in my trading plan, if I will take the two stop losses, I will not take any trade. So this is it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Take care everyone. Bye.